Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a motion blur effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the quick selection tool in the toolbar and hit the select subject button. Use the plus minus brushes to clean up the selection as per your liking. Click on the add layer mask button and rename this layer to subject. Duplicate this layer and activate the layer mask. Use the Ctrl or Command I shortcut to invert the layer mask and rename this layer to backdrop. Drag the backdrop layer below the subject layer, then right click and convert to smart object so we can apply some filters. Click on filter in the top menu and choose add noise from the noise dropdown. With Gaussian and monochromatic selected, pick an amount of 10%. Go back to filter in the top menu and this time choose motion blur from the blur dropdown. Pick an angle of 0 degrees and distance of 150 pixels. Bring in a curves adjustment layer and click on the clip button. To decrease backdrop's contrast, bring the curves line down a bit in the highlights area and up a bit in the shadows area. Let's do some color correction next. Switch to the red channel and bring the top control point down a bit. This will decrease the reds in the backdrop. Now activate the subject layer and bring in a curves adjustment layer. Click on the clip button to restrict the changes just to the subject. To increase the contrast, bring the curves line up a bit in the highlights area and down a bit in the shadows area. Select red from the channels dropdown and bring the top control point down a bit to your liking. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.